Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we will be discussing about Karaknath chicken. Karaknath chicken breed is a unique chicken breed for its outward and inward appearance as well as for its meat health benefits. The Karaknath chicken breed is commonly called by locals as Kali Masi for its black flesh. It is commonly found in eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh state in India. The breed is mainly found in the state of MP and adjoining states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Pure breeds of Karaknath birds are now scarcely found in the tribal regions of Dhar and Jhabua districts of western Madhya Pradesh. The birds survive well in hot semi-arid climatic conditions and temperature ranging between 12 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. They thrive well in harsh growing conditions such as poor housing, poor management, and poor feeding environments. The chicken breed is well known mainly for its black meat taste, adaptability, and believed to infuse vigor. Because of group of natural pigments called melanin, the chicken breed body parts are completely black such as legs, toenails, tongue, comb, wattles, beak, bones, meat, and even the internal organs are dark in color. The other important factor for this chicken breed is to be unique is due to its fat content. While in other chicken breeds, the fat content varies from 12 to 26%, Karaknath chicken fat content is 0.70 to 1.05%. The breed population has sharply declined due to the high consumer demand and lack of commercial farmers. Now, let's get into how to rear Karaknath chicken. The first component of Karaknath chicken farming is to know the chicken varieties. The pure breeds are reared by the Bhils and Bhilalas and other tribal communities that dwell in the western region of Madhya Pradesh. This breed is also found in native China and called as Silky, and found in native Indonesia and called as Ayam Cemani. There are three main varieties of Karaknath chicken. The first one is Jet Black Karaknath. The hen and cockerel are black in color. The second is Golden Karaknath. They have golden feathers on the head and neck regions in both male and female birds. The third is Penciled Karaknath. In the adult birds, apart from black plumage, they have white feathers around the neck region. Karaknath chicken farming business. As we know, poultry farming is one of the oldest farming business and turning out to be more profitable in the present days. The Karaknath chicken breed is native of the tribal communities of Dhar and Jhabua districts in Madhya Pradesh state. As the breed is famous for its black color and black meat chicken, commercial farming of Karaknath chicken has successfully started in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Kerala states. The products of Karaknath chicken, such as its black jet meat, brown eggs, and Karaknath chicks, are highly demanded with large profit margins. The bird gain weight from 0.50 grams to 1.75 kg within a period of 107 to 115 days with a high feed conversion ratio yielding maximum profits. Now, let's see the advantages of Karaknath chicken farming. The demand for the byproducts of Karaknath chicken breed is very high. Meat taste, texture, and flavor are very good. The breed demand is high with a very high profit margin as the pricing of its byproducts are sold at high rates in the market. The breed meat and eggs contain many essential vitamins, minerals, protein, and amino acids. It contains vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. It has high levels of 18 essential amino acids along with niacin, calcium, phosphorus, iron, nicotinic acid, and other that are required by human body. It has great importance in helping to treat and cure various medicinal problems such as headache, post-delivery problems, nervous disorder, and asthma through Siddha and homeopathy. Karaknath breed chickens are hardy to many of the poultry diseases. Consumption is moderate compared to other poultry birds. Birds can easily grow and survive in low-cost food habitats. Chickens are highly disease resistant compared to other poultry. Karaknath meat and eggs are highly nutritious diet. Karaknath chickens are well adapted to regions having scarce food and climate conditions. As we already understand the varieties and its advantages, let's get into the third component, that is feeding. Feeding in Karaknath chicken farming business. In commercial breeding and farming, they can be given pre-starter broiler feed with maize crumbs in the first 2-month period. 20% protein diet can be given to birds once they cross 2 months. One can start feeding the birds with broiler starter feed followed by regular feed depending upon the body weight and age. They eat a variety of foods from market waste to leafy vegetables, grass, and etc. In open range farming, they know that what they want and start feeding on small insects, seeds, grass, and other things. You can feed maize, bajra, DORB, soya meal, sunflower meal, fish meal, mineral mixture, shell grit, salt, and methionine. Now, let's get into the housing management in Karaknath chicken farming business. For optimum Karaknath breeding and for profits, Karaknath housing must have room temperature of 20 to 26 degrees Celsius and with 50% to 70% humidity. Birds can survive well in temperature between 16 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Karaknath chicken is housed and reared in litter system or in cages. Sheds must be free from natural predators such as cats, dogs, snakes, predatory birds, and rats. Sheds must have comfortable housing conditions along with adequate light and proper ventilation during all seasons. Before introducing chicks in the deep litter system, disinfect all watering equipment, feeders, and brooding equipment. Spread around 2 to 4 inch clean litter material such as sawdust, wood shavings, chopped straw, and paddy husk on the floor. The floor must be flat with no sharp protruding objects or rocks. Shed's length can be of any size with width not more than 30 feet wide. The flooring of the house or shed must be of cement concrete. This will reduce disease problems and help in easy disinfections, maintenance, and cleaning. Depending on the farmer budget, poultry roof of the shed can be made of straw, coconut leaf, or palmyra leaf, asbestos, plastic, or fiberglass, etc. Housing. The first important is brooder house. Prepare the brooder house by disinfecting before the chicks are introduced. Place cardboard of 16-inch height and 6 feet in diameter, making a brooding area for the chicks to stay inside. Inside the brooding area, cover the floor with several inches of dry husk, sawdust, or peat moss. The brooding area or brooder house should be shielded from direct sunlight. For every 100 chicks, require 250-watt infrared lamps to make the chicks warm. Divide the infrared lamps such a way which brooding house will be one light bulb. Avoid heating the air or the room temperature, but just the brooding area where the chicks stay. The second is grower house. Grower house is used to house egg-laying type birds of ages between 9 to 20 weeks old. Prepare the grower house by cleaning and disinfecting the place. Grower house must be clean and dry before the birds are introduced. Flooring must be spread with about 4-inch litter material. Place sufficient water and feeders. Grower house must have sufficient floor space, feeding space, and water space for the birds to move around. Proper natural lighting of about 12 hours must be provided and no artificial light is required. The next is Care and management in Karaknath chicken farming. Newborn chicks care. Chicks that are hatched must be placed in a clean and dry brooder. The brooding area must be maintained with temperature between 35 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius until they are fully feathered. Reduce the temperature gradually by 2.5 degrees Celsius every week until they are a month old. Diseases in Karaknath chicken are: this breed can tolerate summer heat and cold winter stress and thrives well under limited food resource and minimal management conditions. The birds are hardy and exhibit an appreciable degree of resistance to disease compared to other poultry birds and exotic fowl breeds. Avoid overcrowding of chicks or birds in the brooder shed to prevent coccidiosis disease. Since all the components of rearing a Karaknath chicken is understand, now let's get into the marketing of Karaknath chicken. For Karaknath chicken farming business to be successful and to run in profits, it must have the best marketing strategies. Advertising plays another important role in this business. Educate local customers about the health benefits and the importance of consumption of Karaknath egg and meat products that provide more essential vitamin, amino acids, nutrients, and protein to the human body through leaflets or banners in retail stores. Promote your products through online business and create awareness through social media. Madhya Pradesh state has launched a social mobile app, MP Karaknath, for the bird cell and connects with other poultry from other parts of the country. Individuals and commercial farmers can place orders for Karaknath chicken from anywhere. The early months must be spent in promoting and marketing the products in the local regions, which will lead to expanding your business and others. The other traditional promotions include advertisement in a local newspaper, posters, and flyers, which are effective in marketing methods to increase business and revenues. Now, let's see why Karaknath chicken is expensive. A selective breed broiler chicken lays about 300 to 320 eggs per year, while Karaknath hen will lay anywhere between 95 to 120 eggs per year. With the same amount of feed, it is obvious the Karaknath eggs are expensive. Broiler chicken tends to eat and eat getting obese within 45 days, and their genes are selectively chosen to produce body mass and tend to die soon due to obesity. Whereas it takes a year for Karaknath cockerel to reach 1.5 kg and reaches a maximum weight of about 2.0 kg. The bird has lifespan of about 12 years. Considering the growth and feed consumption, and importantly the distinctive health benefits from its consumption and scarcity of the bird, it is obvious the pricing of Karaknath chicken to be expensive. Karaknath chicken farming is a profit-earning business and provides job opportunity directly and indirectly to many people. Karaknath breed farming is a simple business for its low maintenance and quality byproducts. Karaknath chicken eggs are rich in nutrients, vitamins, and protein health benefits, and the meat is one of the healthy poultry products have many array of health benefits. It is estimated that a tribal family makes about Rs 5,000 per year on one Karaknath bird. Entrepreneurs and existing poultry farmers will be able to get a high return on investment. The last but not the least topic which we have to understand is why Karaknath chicken is good for farming business. Karaknath chicken meat has high medicinal value apart from the nutritive value compared with other meat. Because of this, black meat chicken is very much in demand. This breed is very popular for its adaptability, disease resistance, and for its distinctive meat taste. The Adivasis or tribal communities believe in its medicinal properties and use the blood in treating many chronic diseases. The bird meat acts as a vasodilator that helps in regulating the blood flow in the human body and thereby infusing vigor. The meat is also used in homeopathy in treating a various nervous disorder. Meat and eggs of these birds are rich in protein and highly nutritive, especially for children and older people suffering from high blood pressure. The cholesterol levels are very negligible compared to other bird meats. Hope you get information from this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.